Welcome. If you're tired of constant pings and notifications from Messenger, but don't want to leave a chat entirely, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to mute notifications for a chat for 8 hours in Messenger, with the latest steps for 2024. Whether you need a break from group chats or just want some quiet time, this guide will help you stay focused without missing out completely. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in, scroll through your chats and tap on the conversation you'd like to mute. This can be with a single person or a group messenger, makes it easy for both. Now look at the very top of your screen. You'll see the name of the person or group you're chatting with. Tap on their name. This will open up the chat settings, where you can customize how you receive notifications for this specific conversation. Next, find the option labeled Notifications and Sounds. Go ahead and tap on it. Here, you'll see a switch at the very top of the screen. If notifications are currently on, the switch will be blue or green. To mute notifications, simply toggle this switch off. As soon as you do, Messenger will ask you how long you want to mute notifications for this chat. You'll see several options, but for now, tap on for 8 hours. This means you won't receive any notifications from this chat for the next 8 hours, perfect for a workday, a good night's sleep, or just some uninterrupted downtime. And that's it. You've successfully muted notifications for this chat for 8 hours. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy tech tips. See you next time.